What's up, Dogecoin holder? Dogecoin holder, I have very good news, my friend, for all of you. But in this time, my friend, the condition is very critical now. Minus 0.49%. The price is decreasing now. So therefore, the Cardano holder, XRP holder, and also my friends Shiba Inu coin holders are very happy because every coin will starting moving upward after a very long time. But I can't expect from Dogecoin to why they were fails down, why they cannot give me a profit. So let's see, my friend. In this video I will give you 100% proof, my friends, towards the reason and what will we need, my friends, to do to they will move upward. So let's see, my friend. But kindly, if you are new my channel, please subscribe our YouTube channel and press the bell icon for videos notification. My brothers, every cryptocurrency in those days will moving upward very fastly, but Dogecoin is one of the unique, very badly coin, my friend. As you can see here, they were fails down. So therefore, I will notify you, my friends, to don't worry if they were just only fails down for a short time. So this does not mean, my friends, so they will fails down forever permanently. So absolutely, my friend, after a short jump they will take a very bad dump, but after a short dump, absolutely they will take a very huge jump now. So my viewers, my subscriber, Dogecoin, one of the fastest cryptocurrency, everybody know this. And if we check out just in only the last 7 days chart, my friends, so you can see here in last 7 days also they are lost, minus 0.96% they are lost. Absolutely, my friends, you can see here after a short jump they will completely take off and they will moving upward. But as you can see, my friends, just in only they were starting moving upward for a long time. So therefore, absolutely the same condition is also going on here now. So they will give you, my friends, a very short profit, but absolutely they will give you a profit in upcoming days. So thanks for watching, Dogecoin holder. Kindly like video and also subscribe our YouTube channel for more this type informative and urgent updates videos.